Welcome to the virtual TIG welding simulation.
Now move to the avatar section to wear your safety equipment. Pick up each piece of protective equipment to wear them, making sure you're thoroughly prepared and safeguarded for your upcoming welding work. Insert the plug of the welding gun into the positive terminal on the welding machine. Connect the clamp to the welding table. Attach the gas hose to the gas inlet located at the front of the welding machine. Adjust the gas valve to 20 psi for the operating pressure and 3000 psi for the tank pressure. Power on the welding machine. Let's adjust the settings on the welding machine. Please set the voltage to 140 volts.